Good morning. First question is about the RA 8495, and this question and this act is about Mechanical Engineering Act of 1998. This act is a compilation of all policies of about mechanical engineering. It also give description on the scope of work of mechanical engineering, the board of mechanical engineering, and also the board exam of mechanical engineering. So first, the practice of mechanical. For Article 1, discusses the introduction of mechanical engineering. So there are some practices of mechanical engineering being emphasized there. So first, first practice of mechanical engineering is the consultation, evaluation, investigation, management of management services requiring mechanical engineering knowledge. Second is the engineering design preparation of plans, specifications, project studies, and procedure studies, or the estimates of mechanical equipment, machineries, and or processes, and of any mechanical works, projects, or plans. Next is the management or supervision of the erection, installation, alteration, testing, and commissioning of mechanical equipments, machineries, and processes of mechanical works, projects, or plants. Next is the management supervision of testing, maintenance of mechanical equipment, machinery, and process of mechanical works, plants, and or projects. Next, the management and supervision of any mechanical works, management and supervision of manufacturing, sales, supply, distribution of manufacturing any mechanical equipment, parts, and components. Next is teaching of mechanical engineering subject, mechanical engineering professional subjects in mechanical engineering in government accredited schools, government recognized or accredited schools. Next is the employment of professional mechanical engineering, registered mechanical engineering, and certified mechanic. If the line of his work, or if the nature of his work and character of his work is in line with his profession, requiring professional knowledge in science of mechanical engineering. Also, the law discusses the description of the board, those who must be included in the board, and also it also discusses how to be part of the board of mechanical engineering, and those who are qualified to be the part of the board. Next is the classification. In the Article 3, the discussion of the discussion on classifications of mechanical engineering. So these are professional mechanical engineering, and certified plant mechanic. Each of those has their own board exam, and, for professional mechanical engineers, just about interview and the written output. For mechanical engineering, so it's composed of three subjects: the machining side, the power plant, and the math and allied sciences. And also for certified plant mechanic, there are also three subjects being involved. For results, there only 15 days after the exam was taken to be weighed. No, 15 days. There must be 15 days allotted after the board exam date to be for the results to be shown, and also the ratings of each of the examinees must be given to those takers. For Article 4, it describes the scope of work of every classification of mechanical engineering. So, for professional mechanical engineer, first, no. So first, those who must teach in engineering schools are those who are professional mechanical engineers or doctorate or master's degree holder. Next is the scope of work. Is those who must work in a plant or in a said workplace where it involves 100 kilowatt to 300 kilowatt. So that must be either CPM, certified plant mechanic, mechanical engineer, or professional mechanical engineer. For 300 kilowatt to 2000 kilowatt, that must be either mechanical engineer or professional mechanical engineer only. But for those 2000 kilowatts and up, that must be professional mechanical engineer is allowed to work. In addition, for the IRR is also given in order to be followed by everybody. So more details is being given in the IRR. So also some parts in it is also described in the articles of R8495, but some additions are given, especially on the requirements for application of professional mechanical engineer, the mechanical engineers in the CPN. Also for the board exam, of mechanical engineer, the percentage of each subject is given. So for machine design, that's 30, for 100%, for power plant that's 35%, and for math and allied sciences, that's 35% also. So this comprise the totality of RA 8495. and this law must be followed by every mechanical engineer working in the Philippines. Also, it is also emphasized in the law that no foreign there must no foreign engineer in the Philippines, and in addition, for those works which is not available with the Filipino engineers, foreign engineers must apply for some certificates in the country. So that's all.